Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the setup now. Plug Chromecast into HDMI and connect power so it boots to the welcome screen. On your TV, select that HDMI input and verify the on-screen code. This ensures you'll pair to the correct device. Open the Google Home app on your phone or tablet. The app discovers devices automatically. Make sure your phone is on the same 4G or 5G Wi-Fi network you intend to use. Keep it close to the Chromecast during configuration. Once the Home app finds the Chromecast, tap Setup and follow the guided prompts. You'll see a short pairing code on TV. Confirm it matches the app, because that prevents connecting to the wrong unit. The app may request location and Bluetooth permissions. Allow them so discovery and initial communication work. When prompted, choose the Wi-Fi network and enter the password exactly. Stay nearby while the Chromecast applies settings and downloads any updates to avoid interruptions. Finish by naming the Chromecast and waiting for the app's confirmation that setup completed. This helps you identify it when casting. Test by opening a cast-enabled app like YouTube or Chrome, tap the cast icon, and choose your device. Playback should appear on the TV. If it doesn't, one key troubleshooting step is to power cycle hardware. Restart your router and unplug the Chromecast for 30 seconds, then try setup again. Also verify Wi-Fi password, and that router isn't blocking new devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.